Hi everyone. Okay, welcome to this. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform for professionals, students that plan to go into the job market soon, even those that are already in the job market. So when you go to your LinkedIn, you scroll down to see skills and recommendations so you can edit it. Even education, just scroll down. When you click on any of them, you can now start editing what you want to edit. You can even delete it if you don't want to put that particular education. Like this one, I wrote my high school many times, so I'm deleting them. So I'll have just one. None at all, just because I'm now a university student. I believe that should be the highest in there. So you can do that for skills too. Even your experience, if you don't want to put it like I was once a content creator, doing nutrition and fitness, but now I believe everybody online is a content creator because you surely be posting about your business or whatever you're doing. So I don't see the need since I'm not advertising that as maybe video editor or something like that. So I should just delete it. So you just scroll down and see experiences, rules, and then you delete what you want to edit. Delete. If you want to add something, then you go up